Hi everybody, welcome. It's Kay Kaltoff and I'm so excited to share the October 2021 card kit to go featuring the Pretty Pumpkins bundle from Stampin Up. It's so cute. The cards are great and I think you guys are going to love them. I'm going to show you all the cards and I'll show you the products included in the kit to go as well as products you probably already have on hand, but I want to make sure that you do so that you can create the kit. All right, good morning, good morning. Yes, I have a giveaway today. So when you share this video next week, a week from today, when I do my Facebook Live, I will be giving away matte black dots. Yes, I will. So you get into the drawing by sharing. So thank you for sharing. I know you guys do, even if I don't do a giveaway. So that's always super sweet. And guess what? We have winners from last week's Facebook Live. And I was so goofed up last week. I didn't even know what I was giving away. So I found something pretty cute to give away. And they're called Cute Stars Adhesive Back Sequins. And so we have our winners from last week, and here they are. It's pretty cute. So really cute stars. And again, if you are one of our winners, Vicki Jean or Sherry Turner, be sure to contact me, and I will hold up the little email address that you need to email to. So again, if you are Vicki Jean or Sherry Turner, be sure to contact me and I will mail you your cute little sequin stars. So that email address is stampingtoshare@gmail.com. Pretty simple. I'm just going to hold it up here a second to make sure everybody knows my email address, because not only can you contact me with the email address for, for winning a prize, but if you want to place an order, it's a good email address to touch base with me if you want to. All right. Oh my gosh. So I'm trying to think here how I should best do this. I think the best way to do it is to flip the camera down. I'm going to show you the basic kit first. Then I will share the deluxe kit. And it's super simple. It's $50 for the basic kit and $100 for the deluxe kit. It includes the products, it includes shipping and handling, and it includes your PDF and video links. Let me flip the camera down and we'll go ahead and get started with some of the supplies. So just give me a second to do that and we'll get going here. So what are the supplies in this kit to go? Well, for the basic kit to go, you are going to get a full roll of this ribbon, which actually is on back order, but knowing how popular my kits to go are, I'm probably one of the reasons why it's on back order, because I pre-ordered enough to do 20 kits. So I have for sure 20 kits to go. And honestly, it is kind of limited supplies because things are just flying off the shelf at Stampin' Up. I think I've gotten like 5 new customers just in the past week. So it's been really exciting times around here at Stamping to Share. But here is one of the items that will be in the $50 basic kit to go. The other item that will be in the basic kit to go, and of course you won't get a half roll like I'm showing here. You'll get a full roll. You will get a brand new package of round and square brads. This is a very overlooked item, I feel, in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. So it was really fun to use these in the kit to go for this month. So they are fun and I really like them. In fact, when I was doing the videos for these cards yesterday, I even found another way to use them due to a mistake I made. So kind of funny, because I regularly make mistakes, as you know, just part of my persona. And then another item in the kit to go, and you guys are going to love this because this is kind of an item that not everybody has. And it is a half pack of our Patterned Party host paper. Yes, you heard that right, a half pack. So what does a half pack of the host paper mean? It means you get 24 12 by 12 sheets. That is a huge value, considering especially that I've had to collect these for a long time, because you can't even get these unless your minimum order is at least 150. So like I say, I have enough supplies to do about 20 kits. And this is the host paper that will be featured, and you will get a half pack of it. So some of the papers that we're going to use in this kit to go include these leaves. So you will be using those. Here's the back side. I'm going to use this soft, succulent dotted paper in one of the cards. It's just gorgeous. And then here's the back side. We are going to use this kind of, I don't know, it's sort of like a crosshatch paper in one of the cards. And here is the back side of that. Oh yes, and of course we're going to use this really awesome pink animal print. It's in Blushing Bride. So I will be showing you a card today that uses that in the kit. And of course, some gingham check, like, oh my gosh, or it's like a buffalo check. It's just beautiful, awesome. It will be featured in one of the cards in the kit to go. And we will be using this fabulous dark black dotted paper in the kit to go. And this really fun kind of floral pattern, really geometric type flower design here in the kit to go. And then there's leftover patterns and papers. So some of the ones that I'm not using in the kit to go, but that you will get to put into your paper collection. These really fun florals and some beautiful stripes. In fact, I love this pattern so much. I've made several new demo cards using this pattern. And here's a fun heart pattern and some stripes. Stripes on both sides the way it looks. And what's the next one? We've got a granny apple green pattern and some more dots here on the back. So quite a good value for you in this $50 kit to go. All right, so what also do you get with the kit to go? That at the $50 level, you get a happy stamper token. My customers love these. When they get 10 tokens, they get a free stamp set of their choice from any current catalog. It's awesome. And it is often strived for, as I notice, when people are placing their Stampin' Up! Orders with me. Okay, now, if you decide to get the deluxe kit to go, you will get, in addition to everything that's in the basic kit to go, you will also get the detailed pumpkin dies and the pretty pumpkin stamp set. So that's the bundle that I'm using. Now, if you already have this, great, because you will be able to create your cards with all of the supplies in the basic kit to go. If you don't have this, you will want to, because you will do your own stamping of the pumpkins that need to be cut out for the cards, and you will also need the die cuts to cut out some of the pumpkin dies. So this is kind of a necessary item to have to create the cards like I've created them. Of course, if you are one of those people that you can just, you've got a large stamp collection and you can look at this and you can say, oh my gosh, I've got similar things. No problem. You probably won't need this. But if you want to make the cards the way I have, you will want to have this. So again, this is part of our deluxe kit to go at 100. Also, if you get the deluxe kit to go, a couple more things, you will get 2 happy stampers. So that really helps build that happy stamper token collection towards your free stamp set. And as my customer gift of the month, during the month of October, I am giving all of my customers the Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels when they place a $75 plus order that includes a host code. However, you don't even have to worry about host codes or anything or making sure your order is at 75, because if you get the deluxe kit to go, you will automatically get the Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels. So that's a good thing. All right, let's look at the cards. I know you're so excited. So am I. I'm so excited to show them to you. So are you ready? The very first card is... La-da! It's so pretty. You can see that it uses two different of the types of Pattern Party Designer Series paper. It's got some beautiful vellum on. I do pre-cut a lot of the basic shapes for you, so those will be ready and in your kit and ready to go. And of course, you're using items that are in the basic kit. So you've got some little round brads here. And of course, you will be cutting, I will include the paper for you to cut out your pumpkins. And it's just darling and adorable, and I know you'll love it. So in addition to some of the supplies that I talked about that you get in a kit to go, and I know most of you have this stuff, but you will also want to have, just dropped it, hold on. You will also want to have a Stampin' Pierce mat and a paper piercer, because when you are using brads, you need to make a little hole so that you can get them into the card. And so I am using the paper piercing tool. No, what am I calling this for? It is not a paper piercing tool. It is a take your pick tool. Oh my gosh, you can tell I've been in Stampin' Up! A long time. So the take your pick tool, or if you happen to have a paper piercing tool, you're good to go. All right, you will also need to have the Tuxedo Black Memento ink. Actually, you could probably use any black ink for this particular card, but on the cards that we're doing Stampin' Blends, you will want the Tuxedo Black. All right, so let's move on to card number 2. Card number 2, are you ready? You will be making 2 cards that look like this. So cute. If friends were pumpkins, yes, I'd pick you. Yes, I would. So here it is. And if you have it, if you have a marker that matches the soft succulent paper that we're using here, it's probably a good thing. But if you don't, you might want to be sure that you add some soft succulent Stampin' Blends. So when I do the sign up sheet this afternoon, I will include some add-on items, and this would be one of the add-on items just in case you don't have it, because I think the leaves are so pretty colored in and matching the leaves that you can see. And again, I do die cut in advance for you the basic shape back here, created from a stitch rectangle die, but you will be responsible for stamping and cutting the pumpkins and the leaves. All right, so that's card number 2. Let's look at card number 3. Here it is. Oh my gosh, yes, we are gonna do a little Stampin' Blends on this one, but look at these great background papers here. Oh my gosh, I love them. And just a beautiful fall card. And you can do your own style of coloring. So I did that. I showed I have 2 different ways of coloring. And I just want you to know that no matter how you color it, it's going to look good. And Stampin' Blends are pretty forgiving. So an add-on item, if you want them, will be the combo pack of Old Olive and the combo pack of Pumpkin Pie. So those are the 2 sets of Stampin' Blends that I'm using. Oh, I love it. You guys are loving this kit. Thank you so much for your kind comments. So here we go. That is card number 3. Let's go ahead and look at card number 4, the final card in my kit. So you make a total of 8 cards, 2 of each design. But of course I vary the papers on each one because I just do stuff like that, you know. All right, so this card, oh my goodness, how fun is this? So we've got kind of a cross hatch background over here, kind of a black and white with pops of color on it. And then over here, we have that really fun animal print in Blushing Bride. And of course, one item you'll want to have, if you don't already have it, is Blushing Bride ink. Or if you have another pink ink that could work as well. Yes, we're going to make a pink pumpkin because why not? Let's have a fun girly fall, huh? So here it is. And this card, you could totally use this for birthdays, of course, fall cards, but it's a really cute, pretty pumpkin card. So let's get all these cards back in the picture, and then you can see them all together. And as I mentioned, these will all be part of our kit to go. So let me just make sure they're all in the picture before I stop the video. This is going to be a really short sign-up time for those of you that are wondering. The last day to sign up is going to be, I have to quick look at my calendar. Hold on. So today is the 12th. Today is the first day to sign up, but I won't have the sign up on my blog until this afternoon, and I won't send out the customer email until sometime this afternoon. So the sign up link will be there. Today will be the first day that you can get it, and then I'm going to close it in a week and a day. So a week and a day is the 20th. The very last day that you can sign up is the 20th. And so I do hope I have a lot of takers for this kit to go. And like I said, if supplies are limited, I will put, you will get your products in a fairly timely manner, those of you that order early. But if you order later, there is a possibility that you might have to wait for some supplies to come in that are on back order. All right, everyone, this is it. Thank you so much. I truly, truly appreciate you, and I'm looking forward to an awesome October Pretty Pumpkins kit to go. Bye, everybody.